sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she takes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed. Before you learn to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette and burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret. Maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind.
Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle place. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries free, let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow, and let it flow. In the calm, just let
Almost gave up on the time. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying on my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty sight. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me, let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade, led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere. Built up walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed, and every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I'd met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. The time was writing something better than I knew. Every broken moment was building me up. Yeah, you were worth the wait. Even on the nights I couldn't see what was waiting there for me. You were the way. Morning spilled soft across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view, now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff.